Here's how to fix mic not working on Zoom meeting. So first of all, make sure to unmute your microphone option. So just unmute your microphone and now go ahead and check your mic working or not. And the second solution is allow microphone permission for Zoom meeting. All you have to need, go to your Android phone settings. In settings, scroll down, tap on apps. Under apps, you have to scroll down and find out Zoom. Tap on Zoom, tap on permissions, tap on microphone, and here select allow only while using the app, or select always allow. Now go ahead and check your microphone working or not. The third solution is check your phone microphone working or not. You can just open your voice recorder. In voice recorder, start a voice recording. You can just end your Zoom meeting first of all, then come back to recordings and start a new record and check your voice recording or not. So that's how go ahead and check your microphone issue. While you are testing your microphone in recorder, if you see no sound, it means your phone has hardware issue. Thanks for watching.